Hinge repair on Asus TUF Gaming F15FX507ZC laptop. Thank you, Sir Wendell, for trusting PETIT Solutions. A complete hinge repair service was performed on the Asus TUF Gaming F15FX507ZC laptop to restore the stability, alignment, and structural integrity of its display assembly. Over time, gaming laptops, especially performance-oriented models like the TUF series, are prone to hinge issues due to frequent opening and closing, tension buildup, or internal bracket wear. This particular unit showed signs of a loose, misaligned, or damaged hinge that required immediate attention to prevent further damage to the display, casing, or internal cables. The repair process began with careful disassembly of the laptop's back cover and display assembly. The affected hinge area was inspected thoroughly, revealing stress on the hinge brackets and potential displacement of screw mounts. These issues can strain the LCD cable, distort the display frame, and eventually lead to cracking or breakage if not addressed promptly. The damaged or loosened hinge components were removed and corrected. The hinge mechanism was realigned, reinforced, and securely tightened using appropriate tools to ensure smooth opening and closing without excessive resistance. If any screws were stripped or mounting points weakened, they were repaired or replaced to restore proper hinge support. The display cable and Wi-Fi antenna routing were also checked to make sure no wires were pinched or stressed during hinge movement. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.